Hello, everybody. This is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I'm here with my VR for Rebecca Creates. It's her birthday, so she's having a birthday Memorydex challenge giveaway. I will have Rebecca's channel linked in the description box below. I will tell you that she has two prizes, but I ain't telling you any more than that. You have to go on over there. Let her know I sent you there. You don't have to tell her. I don't get no extra points. Just let her know where you came from. I always think that's a good thing for other YouTube channels to know. Hey, I saw this VR from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. Just so that they don't know. They know that it's not a troll. Okay? That's my thought process. I may be wrong, but... So, go over to Rebecca Creates. And all she's asking for is a Memorydex, guys. That's all she's asking for. And check out her incredible prizes. Awesome. Prize is as in two. So I'll have all her information linked in the description box. Thanks for watching, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.